neighbors, Steve's Farm Adventure. We finally broke down and bought some Premier One electro stop fence for our sheep, and we're going to put it in this field that's right over here here in just a few minutes, and move our sheep up here today. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll start back when we get it unwrapped and turn it over here. And well, I'll say that it looks like it does on the videos, just like it. These strings untied, get it unwrapped a little bit, take it down yonder and see how it works out laying it out. Take it on down here where we used to have a regular electric fence and lay it on out. See how it goes a little bit in fast motion. It does seem to be going up pretty good, you know. Have to think about it for a minute, see how our path's going to work out. So anyway, we'll get back to it. Keep running around there. Hey neighbors, just going to add to the video that we started Sunday, where we got our new Premier One fence, sheep and goat fence. And here's our sheep. Our sheep are, I think I mentioned it in other videos, St. Croix. They're actually from the island of St. Croix. And we moved them up here. We had them in the back in about a half-acre lot. It doesn't take a lot of room for sheep. And so anyway, we bring them up here and get them on some fresh ground, and they seem to be enjoying themselves. You see the two little babies over there. One of them is a ram, and we're going to sell him. So if anybody's interested, give us a shout, and we'll kind of fill you in about that. And so what we've got is we have three ewes and 2 rams. Of course, old Big Daddy back there, he's the boss. And then the kindly skinny one looking there, she's the mom, but she's trying to recover after weaning these babies off. It takes a lot out of an animal when they're nursing, especially if they're nursing 2. And so we're trying to get some weight put back on her. And so anyway, if you look at the video, at the beginning of the video, over where the over here where the disc is in the tree area was all grown up right up underneath there. Now look at it. Now these guys will probably stay in here probably 2 or 3 weeks, and then we're going to move them down over the hill where there's plenty of grass, and let them get back on everything. But the purpose of the video today is not necessarily about the sheep, but it's more about the ease of use of the Premier One fence. Now, I will say this is not a Premier One fence sponsored video. We simply bought it because we felt like it would be a good product, and I will have to say that it has lived up to everything that we had seen about it from other people's videos. Now, we did go by and we put up some, going down here just a little bit, put in a few extra posts to sturdy everything up, just to keep the height of it. As you can see right there, we put in a fiberglass post. You know, they're cheap at Tractor Supply or, you know, any other farm store. We put several around just to kind of hold the edges of the fence up so it wouldn't sag, because it's really hard to get this fence super tight. And so anyway, we did that, and got that going. And then we took an old chicken tractor and put a new canvas on it, and stapled it down and put a rope so we could pull it easy, and got them a little hut out here. It don't take much for sheep as far as for them, but this fence is really, really good. So like I say, this isn't a sponsored video. This is just simply something that we bought it with our own money, and not a sponsored video at all. But wanted to finish showing you about the Premier One and how well it stands up. Now this is the 164 foot amount of fencing, and so that's about 41 feet to a side. We didn't try to do ours square. I guess we could have, but I don't know, it just makes a little more sense to lay things out. We mowed, boy, this microphone is really spinning around today. We mowed down close, because if you keep that bottom line, it's not conductive, but the rest of it is. So you need to keep that mowed really well, keep it down low, and that way it won't short out. So anyway, this is the closing on the Premier One, and we'll do an update a little later about it. So anyway, this is Steve from Steve's Farm Adventure. Thanks for coming. Thanks for visiting with us. Thanks for going along on our farm journey. We appreciate everybody. If you have any comments, helpful tips that we don't know, because we don't know everything, please, put them in the comments section. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe and the thumbs up if you like our content. And if you will, tap the notification bell so that you can be aware of our future videos. So anyway, stay safe and have a great day, and we'll see you on the next time. Thanks.